Hello and welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to England. And today we're going to cross the border to Scotland, which is somewhere over there. So we'll arrive in Scotland in about, let's say 5 minutes or so. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that since, Scotland is Scotland and it's got highlands and stuff. And yeah, we'll see. So right now we're here in the Northumberland National Park, which is situated at the border to Scotland, obviously. So it was a scenic ride through this national park, and yeah, I'm taking you on this journey to cross the border with me. Yeah. England and Scotland as well are situated in the United Kingdom, which actually is the country, but within this country there are several more countries like, Scotland or England or Wales or Northern Ireland, but Northern Ireland is pretty hard to reach by road coming from Scotland or so let's just maybe do it, but not today. So yeah, we're here, we're driving on this road, and we're coming closer and closer to the border. Very exciting, very nice. As you can see, the weather is pretty warm, it's sunny, but here and there are some clouds. And then there are those amazing and beautiful hills everywhere, and there are some sheep sprinkled all over them. As you can see on the right side, looking out of this window, you can see digitalis, which is the pink plant, but no, it could be another plant as well. But it's about the sheep, and they're everywhere. Sheep and cows everywhere. So this is really a nice sight. So when you go to the UK, you will see many sheep. At least when you go to UK and outside of London or Manchester or the cities, of course. If you go to the countryside of the UK, you will see sheep. Got it? UK, it's got sheep, UK. Okay, so we're very close to the border, but there are some cars in front of us, so they might be blocking the view onto the Welcome to Scotland sign, if there even is a Welcome to Scotland sign. I think 10 minutes ago or so, we passed the last cafe in England, which was really nice. So what if I open up a cafe here? Will this be the last cafe in England then, or will it be the first cafe in England? This is something to think about, my friend. Something to think about. There's a funny tree on the left side. Very nice, very funny, of course. There are some ferns. There's tern. For 1 mile, there are some turns for 1 mile. Yes, very nice. As you can see, this hill in front of us is really Scottish border viewpoint. 1 mile. Oh, this is nice. Scottish border viewpoint. So there is a border and there is a viewpoint. So it has to be a beautiful border. Then see, you're in luck. You clicked on this video and you're not going to regret it. I hope. Yes, what else could I talk about? We'll see. Reduce speed now or later, because we're already pretty slow, so I'm not going to reduce the speed. So yeah, what else? Whatever. In front of us there are 3 cars. One is grey and one is white and one is red, but they've got one thing in common, and that's the yellow number plate. And in front of those 3 cars there's another car, another grey one, amazing. And there we are. We arrive at the border. We're arriving at the border since there's the border viewpoint. But we're not going to check out the border viewpoint since, why should I? We're going to cross the border. Why should I look at a border? That's weird. But if you look on the left side, really fast, you can see the trees. And now, in front, welcome to Scotland. There's the sign, do you see it? On the left side, welcome to Scotland. Scotland. Okay, I should have gone to the border viewpoint. But now we're in Scotland. Did you see the Scotland sign? Yes. Did you see the rock which said Scotland on it? Yes, that's nice. I hope you're not lying at me. Otherwise, you're fired. So now we're in Scotland. Very cool. Welcome to Scotland. A visible border, always a nice sight. And there we are. And the signs look different now that we're in Scotland. And now we're in Scotland and we could camp wherever we want, since wild camping is permitted in Scotland. Also, let me know if you want some camping guides or something. I could maybe make that possible. There are some cows and stuff. Do you see the cows? Colorful cows. CC. Colorful cows. What is it? And now we're in Scotland. And you can see Scotland's looking very different, you know. Does not look like England. No, it looks like Scotland. Yes. Scotland looks like Scotland. Oh no. Well, yes. Okay, then, is there anything else I want to tell you? I don't think so. Welcome to Scotland and goodbye. Yeah.